Unlocking potential. Aspiring for more. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're diving into an inspiring phrase that many of you might have heard: aspiring for more. This phrase carries a powerful message about ambition, dreams, and personal growth. Let's explore what it means to aspire for more and how you can use this phrase in your daily life and conversations. Aspiring for more is a phrase that speaks volumes about a person's desire to achieve greater things in life. It's about not settling for what you currently have but instead, aiming to reach higher goals and dreams. To aspire means to have a strong desire to achieve something, typically something significant or demanding. When we talk about for more, we're referring to greater achievements, opportunities, or a deeper sense of fulfillment. To fully grasp the meaning, let's see it in action through some examples. A student who has just graduated might say, "I'm aspiring for more than just a job. I want a career that makes a difference." An athlete might declare, "Winning this championship is not my endpoint. I'm aspiring for more, to be the best in the world." These examples show the phrase used to express a desire for advancement beyond the current state, aiming for something greater or more meaningful. Using aspiring for more in your life means adopting a mindset of continuous improvement and ambition. It's about setting your sights on bigger goals and not being complacent. Here are some tips on how to incorporate this into your life. Set clear, achievable goals that push you out of your comfort zone. Stay motivated by reminding yourself of the bigger picture and why you're aspiring for more. Seek inspiration from people who have achieved great things and see what paths they've taken. Aspiring for more is not just a phrase, it's a mindset that can lead to personal growth, fulfillment, and success. We hope this video inspires you to look beyond your current achievements and to dream bigger. Remember, every great achievement begins with the decision to try for something more. Thank you for watching, and keep aspiring for more in your English learning journey and beyond.